Tapos sinasend ko, I send it to her. Tapos sabi niya, ako naman, naniniwala naman ako sa law of attraction, di po ba? This is social media. We're talking about how did she have a say? So I was sending all three pictures. I had three people. Poke, poke, poke. And then, sinong bet mo dyan? Kasi it's very important. It's very important that there is a physical attraction or a physical connection. So, as far as kung may stay si Pokwang, hanggang Viber lang.
Alam nyo na
So, yun
handpick
nga.
na si Lee got the part na when you started sending photos to Pookie? Or may idea na kayo that Lee's gonna get the part?
There's an interesting story to this. There's an interesting story. Again, I'm just being honest kasi talabas rin naman. Lee was not the first choice. Lee was not the first choice. And that person backed out. When that person backed out in a month, sabi ko, may problem. So, I told Papa Frankie, Steven, who goes to acting classes and is in part of a big agency. I said, I need a Chad Bauer. Give me a Chad Bauer. He emailed me back. He said, I know the right guy. I would not throw my name and recommend somebody who I don't think is a Chad Bauer. He gives me his email, and I give him a call. I said, talagang stress na ako noon. Sabi ko, pwede ba tayong mag-date sa isang coffee shop sa linggo, malapit sa bahay namin? Sabi ko, and then he goes, hey, sure. When I saw, so nakita kami sa coffee shop, when somebody comes 10-15 minutes before call time, it's a big thing. And somebody who would sacrifice in the United States, a white guy who would say, I'll meet you at 9 in the morning on a Sunday morning. I said, great. I was there, I saw him, I shook his hand, let's do the first read. Doon kami nag-reading. And, the audition with Chad was very extensive. Kasi, kakalkalin mo talaga yung buhay eh. I really got to know him, and I said, I think I have the right guy. So, there was a second video test. Let me see you on video. And there you have it. And it's destiny. And I'm so happy that I'm working with a great actor. I'm so happy that I'm working with very nice professional American actors, Steve at Steve.
For English dialogues, was that a challenge for you guys?
So working with Poke Wong, first of all, to go back to the previous question about her being a comedian, I found that to be an advantage because when we hit some scenes that were really tough and really serious, her comedic relief definitely came in relief for a lot of us and for a lot of people involved. Working with her, absolute professional, absolutely comes every day prepared, every day ready to make great product, great creation out of collaboration between us. And as for the English dialect, I've been there. I know how she feels. Like I've done time in other countries and foreign languages, and I know what it's like when you have to hit the mark and say the lines and do it in a completely different language. And I was really impressed with how she fought through it and improved quite a bit. I really didn't see it as a hindrance, to be honest. She wouldn't let you know that it's a hindrance, to be honest. She spoke better than half the American people I work with, so not bad.
Sweet.
Nothing against the Americans, just that she was a pleasure to work with. Absolute pleasure.
Steven?
Yes. The day that I met Poke Wong, we were doing the barbershop scene that day, and she walks up to me and says, "Hi, I'm Poke Wong, and I understand the bar has been set very high." And it's like, what are you talking about? She'd already talked with Richie, and it's like, okay, no problem. I told her, no problem, no pressure. She goes, my English is not very good. I said, no, what you're saying to me is just fine. I'm getting everything you're saying. So when we had to work on set, I found that her comedy side helped break up things, because as an actor, you have to come to the scene ready to do. You got to be prepared, and the director's going to let you know when he's set to get moving. And So when you're coming, you sometimes have some downtime, and her comedic skills came into play where it loosened you up a little bit, and then you could just get in and do what you needed to. The majority of scenes that I had with Pokey were dramatic. And so I think that there was some maybe fear on her part of being able to do the dramatic part with me, but we wound up feeding each other in those scenes, as you'll see.
English? I need an interpreter, please. I need an interpreter and Red Cross.
Si Richie.
Yan o.
Come to rescue.
Ay,
Prince is
interpreter,
also
interpreter.
Okay.
Una po sa lahat.
Thank you. Tinapos.
Hindi, kasi, ito na, ano na. Okay, there's subtitle, you can read. Kinakabahan ako in a way na, siyempre, unang-una yung, ano na naman to, bugong-ilong ko na naman ito, nosebleed na naman to. Pero, meron akong nakuha lesson din sa mga katrabaho ko, like kay Papa Frankie and Chad. Talagang napaka-professional nila. Sobrang, ang dami kong hugot din na nakuha. Pag every time, lalo na kay Papa Frank, pagdating sa drama scene, ang lalim ng hugot na nakukuha ko sa kanya dahil napakahusay.
Wow.
Haba. No, she just said that it was difficult in the first, in the beginning, but she was, she got a lot from you guys. She fed off you, so she kind of, it was a pleasure.
Hindi mo sinabi yung kitchen.
Oh, yeah, yours too. It's the same.
Your hands are she said.
Siguro ko lang natin ang
Iya pala maging interpreter ng universe.
Prince is also part, where'd you get how'd you get the part?
Nga pala, Amerikano din pala ako.
You're based in San Francisco,
Ako,
right?
nakatira ako sa Bay Area. I saw an ad on TFC.
Nagpaganon talaga sila, tas open audition.
There was an open audition, and my tita said, try nyo. So I did.
Ano bang lahi mo, Prince?
I'm half Filipino, half Turkish.
Turkish,
Pero
okay.
dito po ako pinangalan.
Okay, when did you move there?
2002 I moved, so 12 years ago. I answered the casting call. Never acted before, and John D really saw something in me somehow. I mean, haggard. I was like all day working, pumasok ako, and then I auditioned, and I read some lines, never acted, and next thing you know, I get a call 1 month later, and he wanted to talk, and he's offering me Paco's role.
But this is not your first time to act in a film.
What do you do?
You have a day job, or you're an actor in it?
Share work.
First time.
Oh,
ever.
Nagtatrabaho sa Frito-Lays. Naglalagay ng mga chips.
So,
Nagkala mo ng
grocery.
chichirya.
Sabi ko, I was looking at the monitor. I said, I saw a dramatic face. When you see a dramatic face, it's a dramatic face. You see somebody, tapos we'll spot it. Sabi ko, yan ang intern, artistahin.